I massacred that food. I literally massacred that food. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed the little short intro that I just created because I'm just trying something new and I hope you guys like it. So welcome back to another vlog. I am just getting ready to go for a yoga class. I am really excited to go for the yoga class, so I'll take you guys with me and then we'll continue with this vlog. So let me just give you a little update. You know me, the way sometimes I'm always so extra. I mean, can you even? Yes, homegirl did her nails and they look so cute. I am so happy. It's Valentine's, so I said this month I must have like Valentine's nails. So this is what I did. I am ready to go to yoga. I look crusty. I need to just fix up my edges and we're good to go. So. Hello, it's been many days since the last video that I showed with the yoga class. And so today has been actually a really good day. I feel very happy with the progress of the day, but I just wanted to, you know, rant and release a little bit of anger. Let me just give you a backstory of what exactly happened. So I made this commitment to myself that I'm going to be posting twice a week, and I needed to plan myself. Okay, so yes, everything was going amazing. First of all, this is dark, so let's see. Okay, perfect. So everything was going amazing. I had already done my research for self-development and also planned my vlogs for the whole month. And here I am, ready to start editing my self-development video, which, by the way, I'm gonna link the playlist over here. And I was really enthusiastic with the way that I wanted to make a little bit of changes. So I put on my makeup, I dress up, I do the videos, I change, I do everything. Mind you, that I had a sandwich before I started shooting my video. That was after I did my makeup. So I didn't see that I had something on my tooth. And I decided to make the 3 videos. Here I am, ready to edit. And I started the first video. Wait, I had a spinach on my tooth? What is this? So I said, no problem. Maybe I removed it afterwards. I went on the second video, the same spinach is on my tooth. The third one, the same spinach is on my tooth. I did 3 videos. 1, 2, 3 with food on my tooth, and yet I'm here stuck in this dilemma, like, should I edit, should I post, should I not? But I really don't want to put a video out there with something on my tooth, especially if it's on my front tooth, and I don't understand how I was able to see that. So now I am back to square one, and it's really frustrating because I have to do my makeup, I have to get the outfits, I have to go through the research, go through the points that I did, and I still have to deliver. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna hold myself accountable to that. Anyway, I'm just about to continue with my day. I actually had a break from work and I came home. I had, like, I don't know, an hour and a half to have my late lunch, so I decided to come here and take a video. But anyway, this is my fit, this is how I look, very official. And yeah, I'm gonna go back to work, but I'm gonna woosah, and probably I'll shoot tonight, maybe around till midnight, and make sure that I deliver by Monday, or wait, by Tuesday. Anyway guys, on with the vlog.
2 days later.
I just had this really cool idea. I was on Pinterest and I was just checking out some of the pins and just healthy foods that I might be eating, because you know, homegirl is improving her health as if it's not good already. So I came across this oat pancakes, and I thought to myself, yeah, this would be a really good idea. And here I am in the kitchen. I was looking at my ingredients. I have my ingredients. I literally lined them up over here, and I am gonna make healthy pancakes. And you know what they're made of? Oats. They're made of oats. I think it's gonna be a little bit different because I like pancakes. It reminds me of my family, but let me try something new. Maybe you guys will like it too. So the ingredients are, the first thing is the oats, and then you need to add 2 eggs, and bananas. I already have like half bananas over here, with some milk. I have coconut milk. I had coconut and almond milk. I ran out of almond milk, and olive oil. So what's the first thing that I should do? First things first, I have my measuring cups in order. So I have my blender here, and what I should do is actually blend my oats. So I add 1 cup of oats. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So here we go. These are my oats. and I'm gonna blend them. So that is done, and now we have oat powder. This is how it looks. This is basically the powder. Let me come closer. The oat powder is ready, and then the next thing that I do is to add eggs. That is 2 eggs, and pardon me guys, okay, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but okay, let's see. So 2 eggs and cup of milk. I don't take I'm lactose intolerant, so I take oat milk, so I add my milk onto that mixture. And last but not least, for flavor, we're adding some bananas. Ooh, child, this better work. 1 banana, and next is 2. I don't know. Let's see. Is this too much? Is this too much? I think I'm going to switch the thing, and then I'm going to mix it all up. So let's see how it will look. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's see how our mixture looks. I saw on Pinterest it's supposed to be like this. This looks very runny. It looks runny. But I think it's supposed to be like this. This is the consistency. I mean, is it supposed to be like this? I don't know. I don't know. So when it comes to creating my ingredient, I'm supposed to add vanilla extract and baking soda. I don't have none of those ingredients. So next is to make pancakes. So now I heat my pan up. Let me turn this on so that you guys can see better. And then I add my olive oil to the pan, and let's see what's going to happen. So I already made my first pancake so that it doesn't backfire, but I have this method. I use this scoop to use as my measuring cup, and then I pour my mix into that, and voila, there we go. Nice and pancakey.
A few moments later.
Her around. Okay. Oh, that's brown. Wow. Wow, this thing should slap. So excited to have my breakfast. I made myself some masala tea. So if you are from Kenya, shout out to you. This tea is the bomb. So it's basically just milk and ginger and tea, and it's amazing. But the main show is the pancake. So let's have a taste test. Oh, my mouth is watering. Pinterest is big, guys. Pinterest is big. goodness, I massacred that food. I literally massacred that food. It was amazing. Anyway, let me just finish cleaning up right now because I made such a huge mess for something that is so small and minuscule, and then I'll show you guys, and after that I think that is it for today's vlog. So thank you for watching all the way till this part. So if you are new here, if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification to receive a notification every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.